Hi everyone, my name is Catherine and today I'll be showing you how to achieve that perfect long-lasting Gel Moment application in 3 easy steps. Let's see that you have all of your Gel Moment products nearby. Step 1, nail preparation. First, we're going to smooth out our nail using our Gel Moment nail file. So I personally like the square-ish shape, so that's what I'm going to try and achieve. And make sure you're using the white part of the file, not the gray, the white one. Then we're going to carefully buff the surface of our nails, including the corners, using the same Gel Moment nail file. Only buff, don't polish or shine, as over buffing can damage your nails. Also, if you want, you can push back your cuticles using the Gel Moment Cuticle Pusher. I'll be super gentle while doing so, as damaged cuticles can absorb moisture and affect the durability of your polish. Finally, I'm going to clean my nail using a Gel Moment cleanser. Make sure your nail is clean and completely dry before applying the polish. Step 2, applying the gel polish. Before applying the polish, I will gently roll the bottle between the palms of my hands. Be careful not to heavily shake the bottle, as it can produce air bubbles. Now, I'm going to apply a very thin coat of gel polish. Part of why I love this product so much is because of that one-step application process. No top or base coat required, it's just that easy. Plus, what's great about thin coats is that they will cure perfectly in a very short amount of time, avoiding any bubbling and lifting. And to ensure optimal results, I will also be applying polish over the nail tips. If ever you do get gel polish on your skin and or cuticles, just take a cotton swab or a tissue to wipe it off before curing your nails. Pro tip, I love how durable my Gel Moment polish is. It can literally last up to 14 days, if not more. Here's a little secret. When you're just about done with applying the polish, following the shape of the nail's tip, apply a thin line of polish horizontally. This technique is great for sealing the polish. Step 3, cure. Now we're ready to cure the polish under a Gel Moment LED lamp of your choice. Because the gel polish is light sensitive, the first thing we're going to do is move it away from the LED lamp before curing. This also implies you shouldn't apply it in direct sunlight or outdoor. Time is precious, and that's exactly why I love my Gel Moment LED lamp. It's fast. It takes just 45 to 60 seconds depending on the Gel Moment LED lamp you've chosen. At last, if you want to add a second coat, feel free to do so. Fast, easy, beautiful, durable. Enjoy.